Well, Republicans at the state legislature upped the ante today in their ongoing battle with the Montana Supreme Court. This time, Republicans issue subpoenas to all 7 sitting justices, a move they say is simply to get public records from the court to see whether bias exists on new laws that may come before it. Well, minority Democrats say it's nothing but an attempt to smear the judiciary for political purposes. MTN's Mike Dennison has the latest.
The subpoenas went out Thursday morning to all 7 justices on the Montana Supreme Court and the court administrator, Beth McLaughlin. Republican leadership at the legislature ordered the justices to produce, by Monday, all office emails and text messages, and phone logs from their office and personal phones for the first 15 weeks of this year. GOP leadership wants anything that refers to bills before the legislature or action by the Montana Judges Association, the trade association that lobbies for the state's judges. Republicans say they're trying to determine if the court has shown any bias on bills or new laws. In particular, the law that gives Republican Governor Greg Gianforte much more power to appoint state judges. That law is being challenged as unconstitutional and is before the High Court right now. Also this week, Republican leaders formed a select committee to investigate the judiciary. The subpoena issued to McLaughlin orders her to appear before that committee Monday morning. This latest batch of subpoenas comes 1 week after Republicans used their subpoena power with the help of the Gianforte administration to acquire more than 2,400 of McLaughlin's office emails. They then released selected emails to the media. They revealed justices, judges, and their staff commenting on bills that affect the judiciary, and sometimes about how those bills should be defeated. Democratic leaders at the legislature say this latest move is a baseless attempt to slander the judiciary as it prepares to rule on many bills that Democrats say are unconstitutional as passed by Republicans this session.
We've seen policy after policy move through the legislature, not just this session, but in sessions past, that even on their face are unconstitutional. We find that what we're seeing this session is just an unprecedented attack on the judiciary, trying to bring down their work of holding those unconstitutional pieces accountable.
As of Thursday afternoon, Supreme Court Chief Justice Mike McGrath could not be reached for comment and had not responded to the legislative subpoenas. Republican leaders say all they're trying to do is get public records from public officials. But let's remember, while this controversy plays out, the court case challenging Gianforte's judicial appointment powers continues, and the Supreme Court will decide it. Reporting from Helena, Mike Dennison, MTN News.
Thanks, Mike. And the new select committee to investigate the judiciary will hold its first organizational meeting on Friday.